So what are we gonna use for this recipe, Peanut? You might be surprised to hear we'll just be using things that are lying around here at home. Your very own home. Oh! First we'll use some old milk and new yogurt. Culinary chemistry. Now all we need is just a little protein.
I got good news, Tommy. We found you a donor. I'll just set this down and rest my arm for a bit. Let's get started. Oh, crud.
Fusion. And after that, some of this junk.
Ew, deer hormones? Okay, if you say so.
Thanks for joining us, folks, today. And remember, stay a secret.